students. Today I will show you how to make an introduction card like this one. So you need 2 pieces of paper, one color, one white, markers, scissors, and glue. Let's begin. First, let's use the white paper. Write 6 or 7 sentences about you. Write what grade you are in and write if you're excited or worried, sad or upset. First, let's choose one color. I will choose pink. Hello, I'm Joycey. I'm in the 6th grade. I'm so excited. I got a new present. It's a guitar. I want to learn how to play the guitar. Can you help me? Now we will decorate this paper. I will choose yellow. I am going to make a cloud shape around my name. I will use light green to draw an excited heart. Excited heart. I'm going to use orange to draw a present. I am going to add dots. I will use black to draw a musical note. I'm going to draw a guitar using brown. Now I will use yellow again to draw on the side. There is still a lot of space. I will use the scissors to cut. Hello, I'm Joycey. I'm in the 6th grade. I'm so excited. I got a new present. It's a guitar. I want to learn how to play the guitar. Can you help me? Next, we will fold this paper in half. Fold in half. And cut. we will put this paper on here. We will use the glue. Add the glue to the back of the white paper. I want to cut. Here it is. Hello, I'm Joycey. I'm in the 6th grade. I'm so excited. I got a new present. It's a guitar. I want to learn how to play the guitar. Can you help me? All done. Good job today. Goodbye.